Hey guys, so now I'm looking at some of the signals. As you can see, some already timed out. Let's see. I'm gonna look for vibe. Okay. You search for vibe crypto. Then you look for this specific strategy. You found it? Okay, nice. It's got an ROI of 2.2% for the past 12 hours and also 100% success rate. But I don't like the total ROI and the total success rate. It doesn't look so comforting. We'll see something else maybe. Okay. XLM strategy, and okay, it's pretty nice, but I won't use that one. No, I'll look for something else, maybe LSK, Lisk, and strategy. Still not good. Let's see. Elf, right? Elf. Okay, this is number 1. 100% success rate. But the frequency is not that good. Okay, let's see something else. There's another strategy. You can see it uses 2 strategies. Also only 2 signals. The high frequency is a problem because the high frequency shows that these signals gonna take some time to sell. So although it's 100% success rate, it might take some time until you manage to make the sell and profit. So I wanna look for something shorter. Let's see, PPT. And quite nice. Okay. Still you can see that there's a negative on the total ROI and on the average ROI, which kind of alarming because there is a profit for the past 12 hours, but it's a risky bet because the average ROI is negative, so we might lose some. Let's keep looking. Ella. Strategy. Well, as you can see here, it's a high success rate, positive ROI, good average ROI, but no profit for the past day, half a day. It's a high risk bet, so okay, let's wait.